Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable share usage data with map providers in Snapchat on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat app. So here is my Snapchat app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on your Bitmoji at the top left, and then tap on this gear icon, this settings at the top right. And I have this settings, this screen opened, and on this screen you have to scroll down to additional services section. So let me go to that. So here I have this additional services, this section, and in this section you have to tap on this manage. Let me tap on this, and then you have to tap on this maps, and I have this maps, this is screen opened. And you can see guys, here we have this option share usage data, and here we have this message also. Let's read that. Share anonymized location and usage data with our map providers. So in order to enable this, you have to tap on this toggle button next to this share usage data and move this slider to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on this, and you can see it's now enabled. And whenever you want to disable this, you have to tap on this toggle button next to this option and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now disabled. So just select the option that you want. So I want to leave this as disabled, and after you're done you can go back to your main screen. So let me go to that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. In this way you can easily enable or disable share usage data with map providers in Snapchat on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.